Yo, what is good my people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rum. So in today's video we're going to be talking all things Jordan 1 lows. For me, one of my favorite silhouettes on the market right now, the Jordan 1 low. I have one of the latest colorways on the channel today. This is the Cardinal Red. Check these out. Yes, my people, I hope you're having a blessed day. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Jordan 1 Low in the Cardinal Red colorway. I'll be looking at the shoe in more detail, looking at the design, the materials used, sizing. I'll be looking at how this colorway stacks up to other colorways that's released in the past. And I'll also be telling you my opinions when it comes to resale. And of course, I'll be dropping the on feet as well, so make sure you watch the entire video for that. Let's get straight into the review. Yep, so we have them on the channel. This is the Cardinal Red Jordan 1 Low, and for me, this is one of the most beautiful Jordan 1 Lows we've seen in a very long time. This colorway is absolutely incredible. I love the hints of yellow or gold you get on the shoe as well. So for the Wings logo on the back, on the swoosh, the tongue as well, you get that really nice shade of gold. And this red, it's more of a burgundy color in my opinion, but wow, this red and white really does pop. This shoe is amazing in my opinion. I do love how different elements of the shoe pops as well. So the outsole is just really nice as well. And the materials are pretty decent as well. I think the Jordan 1 Lows is just as good, probably better than the Dunk Lows in my opinion, because the materials on this are a lot better than what you get from them GR Dunks. This is just a really nice shoe. I am so surprised at how well this shoe came out. I did see the pictures and I didn't think too much of the pictures, but actually getting these in hand, they are absolutely amazing. We had these sneakers dropped a couple of days ago in the UK. Retail was £100, which I think is a very good price for these shoes. I'm surprised it's not a little bit higher, because even though these are a normal Jordan 1 Low, they do kind of feel like a special edition Jordan 1 Low. The materials are pretty nice. In regards to the actual release of the shoe, I grabbed my pair from the Nike app, and that's where I get pretty much all my Dunk Lows, my Jordan 1 Lows. Nike app always comes through for me. I didn't really see these at anywhere else apart from the Nike app. I'm not sure if they're going to be dropping anywhere else, but I'm not complaining. I really do like this shoe. I'm happy to have this in my collection right now. The materials on this shoe are pretty nice. So when you look at the toe box, you get a white leather toe box. The mudguard is done in this nice burgundy or cardinal red. Pretty nice as well. The leather feels very soft as well, so that's pretty nice. You come to the side of the shoe, you do get your swoosh stitched in, but you do get them hits of gold as well stitched into the swoosh, which is pretty nice as well. Obviously the side panel is done in that white leather, and as I said before, it's not the best leather I've seen on a Jordan 1, but for a Jordan 1 Low at £100 price point, it is pretty nice. You come to the back of the shoe and the Wings logo is done in that gold. It's just amazing. I really do like that. I think that's one of the things that sticks out to me when it comes to the Jordan 1 Lows, is that Wings logo on the back. Really nice. You come to the outsole of the shoe. The outsole is done in that Cardinal Red. The midsole is done in white. Really nice. You look at the tongue and the laces. So the laces, you do get your usual Jordan 1 laces on there, which is in that Cardinal Red color. The tongue is white, and you do get your Jumpman logo stitched in that gold as well. All in all, this is an amazing shoe, and I am so happy to have this in my collection. Can't wait to be rocking these. These are the perfect shoe for summer. So when it comes to sizing, I actually went a half a size up in these because I do like a little bit more room in my shoe. But generally, I would advise anyone to go true to size whenever you're buying a Jordan 1 Low, Jordan 1 High, Jordan 1 Mid. Go true to size, they fit perfect. But for me, I like a little bit more room in my shoe. I like my shoe to be breathable, so I always go a little bit half a size up, and then I'll put a crease protector in, because I think these shoes would definitely need a crease protector. And if you're after a crease protector, I'll leave a link in the description to the one I use. I get them from Amazon. So let's talk about resale. For this shoe, there isn't much resale on this shoe at the moment, but I do expect the resale price on this to go up. As soon as they drop some other regions, I do expect the resale prices to jump on these, because these shoes are perfect for summer. So right now they are reselling for just above that retail mark. A little bit of lunch money to be made on these, but this is definitely a shoe I wouldn't invest in. This is definitely something for the personal collection, but I can definitely see these going up in value in the next couple of months, because summer is coming and there is not a better shoe on the market right now than these for summer, because this colorway is amazing. And I think in the sun this is going to absolutely pop as well. So definitely not one I would invest in, but it's one for the personal collection. So my final thoughts on the Jordan 1 Low in the Cardinal Red colorway. This colorway is absolutely amazing. This shoe is amazing. The materials are great. This is a no-brainer. This is 100% must cop. I had to get these for my collection because I've been getting some really nice Jordan 1 Lows, and I think this is just making my collection even better. What a great shoe in my opinion. So 100% must cop. Yes, my people, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found the information useful. As always, if you haven't already, remember to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. The on-feed portion of the video coming now.